My ForeverSmile journey started like this. Well, the teeth reached a stage where they couldn't be fixed anymore. And my bite is too strong, was breaking the teeth, so they had to come up with a new plan of action. What's going to change for the most? Not having to go back to the dentist and being able to eat the foods I enjoy again. The staff has been wonderful. I got my scans done and they showed me a digital design of how my smile would look like after the procedure. I was a bit nervous before going into extraction, but doctor made sure that I had nothing to worry about, and right after extractions and installing my implants, they were able to give me a temporary prosthesis right away. Everybody's pleasant, the doctor's great, staff is great. It just has to take the time it has to take. This wasn't at all what I expected. I honestly wasn't sure how they were going to find a solution for my strong bite, especially since my temporary kept breaking. But then the doctor explained they were going to make my final prosthesis with titanium, and that's when it all started to make sense. I couldn't help but laugh after looking at my reflection. I had a full-on metal mouth, but honestly I was happy. It finally felt like things were moving toward the last step, getting my final prosthesis done, and knowing it was going to be strong and basically unbreakable made it all worth it. After seeing my final prosthesis and realizing how real it looked, I couldn't wait for them to try it in. I was honestly so excited to see the final results, and I couldn't have been happier with how everything turned out. For anyone thinking about getting dental implants like mine, I'd highly recommend the ForeverSmile procedure. This has truly been one of the best decisions I've ever made. Thank you so much.